Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this invitation for the party inspired on The Incredibles. I'm going to start with the printout invitation that goes inside. I actually have a shop for these kind of crafts and it's called Pixie Love Party Crafts. So if you want to check it out on Etsy, and I'm going to start by just going and printing the picture. They're really simple. You haven't printed pictures in your computer before. You just kind of have to mess around with the settings a little. I know it's a little blurry, but just choose the kind of paper you're using. I'm using photo on glossy paper, and then you gotta change the dimensions. I'm using 4x6, so that's pretty easy to select, and just also change the settings on your printer, because if not it will look really weird. And go ahead and start printing your photo. It has different settings. I don't know, depending on your printer, really, you just kind of have to figure it out there. Mine is a little different, and I just do no border for the photos, and I just feed it to the printer and it comes out perfect. But you can also send them to, I don't know, Costco, Walmart, wherever you want to send them. There's a lot of places out there that will print them out for you, and it'll probably be cheaper. Unless you're printing just like 5, you can just do it at home. For the materials, I'm going to be using all of these. Obviously, the photos I printed out too, so you can check them out. And I made these Incredibles invitations, and it can be customized, or you can just write the kid's name in a piece of paper, and that will work out fine. So I'm going to use primary cardstock paper. They're really nice and different colors and black. I'm also going to use, you can use glue. I'm using hot glue and the hot glue gun, scissors, a pencil, and this pattern that I have, I'm gonna post it on my vlog, so you can check it out. But I'll probably post it on my Etsy as well if you want to get it from there with the instructions and everything. So I'm gonna start by cutting the pattern, because I don't have a machine to actually cut the paper like a Cricut, but you can totally do it like this. It is simple, it doesn't take too long. So I'm gonna start tracing the pattern on the different papers accordingly with the colors of the logo. And now that you have everything set up like this, I'm going to start just cutting the pieces, the paper, and getting the patterns out of there. As you can tell, I traced all the pattern backwards, that way I wouldn't have any pencil showing in the actual invitation. Now for the invitation itself, I'm gonna use a piece of red cardstock paper, and I'm just gonna try to assemble the logo in here. Just position everything right before you glue it. Now fold the piece of paper in half. You can actually just leave it like this, one single layer of invitation, and paste the other one in back. I just decided to do it like a booklet, and it will work out great. So I'm going to cut around, and I'm just going to leave a little piece on the top that is not cut, so they can open it and close it. And just place the information on your card, that way people will know where the party is at. And you can just leave the invitation by itself as well if you want. I'm just gonna place this here, and let me know if you liked it. If you liked it, share please on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you want to help me get this video out there, and so other people can get inspired on their birthday parties. If you like it, also give me a like. I will really appreciate it. It really helps. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Bye guys!